All right, it's 3 in the afternoon. I spent most of the day getting my computer system back up to speed. Uh, had to buy a new router. Well, interesting. Anyway, so I'm back online. Um, this is the BSA. It's sitting over here. We're going to borrow a AML carb tomorrow and put the AML on it and try to get it started. See what happens. That's last ditch Hail Mary type effort. See what happens. In the meantime, today this 71 Norton came in, 71 750, about halfway put together, and I get to put it the rest of the way together. Beautiful work. These wheels are absolutely gorgeous. Apparently done by Colorado Norton Works. The pea shooters are beautiful. They have CNW logo on them. Skip does beautiful work. The head has been redone. I think the whole top end has been redone. The valve spring keepers are beautiful. We'll check the clearances and get them right. Got a single Mikuni set up. The bike has been powder coated and a lot of polishing done. And the gentleman who owns the bike is going to bring by 2 big boxes of parts, and I will get to put this together. It's a beautiful front wheel. Look at this. Look at the brake assembly. Isn't that just pretty? That's just a work of art. So hanging the wires, putting the bike together, headlight, tank and side covers are all repainted, and it'll be an interesting project. So that's our next project, and we'll let you know how it goes. It's going to be a pretty bike when it gets done.